Parking brakes on. Instruments checks control. Trimmer full set and free. Set to neutral. Cabin air control close. Mixture full and free. Set to reach. Set to reach. Okay. Oh, need to lose.
Okay.
Okay. Throttle friction unit loosen. Throttle full and free. Set correct. Set 1/4 open. To open. Cup heat full and free. Set cold. Cup heat. Okay. Master switch on.
The red one.
Red one.
Okay, so you pull up.
Pull up.
Yeah.
Okay. Circuit breaker checks all in. Okay. Fuel on both. Beacon lights on. Beacon lights on. Prime as required.
Oh, no need.
No need. Radio. On call. Request radio.
Okay.
What's the avionics switch?
Oh, yes. So you turn here. Okay, so then this is ground frequency already.
Okay.
Okay, then this is for between you and me.
Oh.
Okay, so on this, so I can hear you, you can hear me. Hello?
Test.
Hello.
Hello, test. Can you hear?
Test. Okay. Hello.
Test. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I can hear you.
Okay.
Alright. And then look out. Oh, request engine startup first.
Okay.
Okay. 121.8.
Correct.
Johor ground. Fras 07. Good morning. Fras 07. Request engine startup for circuits and landing for runway 16. Startup approved. Fras 07.
Okay.
Okay. And then.
So you do it switches off. So you want to search the radio.
Okay.
Okay. Then pump this 3 times.
Pump this 3 times. 2, 3.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And then look out clear prop. Where's the switch?
Okay. So engine start is 0800, right?
Okay. How to insert the key?
Oh, wrong way. Upside down.
Upside down.
Okay.
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 Clear prop.